It is known as the sea devil, a creature so hideous it was once banned from French markets.
But hidden beneath this monstrous exterior lies a secret. A meat so dense and sweet
that chefs around the world call it the poor man's lobster.
From the bottom of the ocean to the finest luxury plates.
Join us as we reveal the incredible industrial journey of the giant monkfish.
Monkfish have no scales. Instead, they have loose, slippery skin that requires high-pressure jets to clean thoroughly.
Quality control is rigorous. Inspectors check the eyes and gills to ensure the catch meets the premium sashimi grade standard.
The factory processes 5 tons of monkfish daily. Automated sensors sort them by weight to streamline the butchery process.
Temperature is critical. A thermal shock in ice water firms up the meat, preparing it for the difficult skinning process. Now, they are ready for the most skilled stage of production.
Because of the monkfish's unique bone structure, this cannot be done by machines. It requires the human hand. The monkfish is mostly head. The butchery begins by separating the massive jaw and skull from the valuable tail section.
The skinning process is physically demanding. It requires a strong, steady pull to strip the entire outer layer in one piece.
Once the tough outer skin is removed, the meat looks pristine. But the job isn't finished yet.
Monkfish have no rib bones, only a central spine. This makes filleting unique, yielding 2 thick, cylindrical loins.
Any discoloration is trimmed away. For the premium market, the fillet must be a flawless pearl white.
Nothing is wasted. Even the cheeks are harvested. These are considered the sweetest part of the fish.
A final rinse removes any lingering membrane fragments.
Using backlighting, inspectors look deep into the tissue. The density of the meat is what gives it that lobster-like texture.
Only the whitest, firmest cuts will make it to the top-tier restaurants in Paris and Tokyo.
The transformation is startling. The ugly sea monster is now indistinguishable from the world's most expensive shellfish.
Served alongside the liver pâté, this is a dish that commands high prices in Michelin-starred restaurants.
It is hard to believe that this exquisite meal came from such a beast.
Back in the factory, the frozen tails head for final grading. Consistency is key for the global market.
High-speed optical scales weigh each fillet in a fraction of a second, sorting them into precise weight categories.
300 grams go to retail. 500 grams and above are reserved for restaurant supply.
Machines handle the weight, but humans handle the quality. Any fillet with a cracked glaze is rejected and sent for reglazing.
Safety is paramount. Every single piece passes through sensitive metal detectors to ensure no hooks or knife fragments remain.
Advanced X-ray scanners also check for any bone fragments that the butchers might have missed. Graded, checked, and safe. These ocean treasures are now ready for their final packaging.
To ensure a shelf life of up to 24 months, the fillets are vacuum sealed in heavy-duty plastic.
Origin, date, and batch code are printed instantly. Full traceability from the ocean to the consumer. Workers pack the master cartons by hand, ensuring the weight distribution is perfect for transport.
Sealed and secured. These boxes are now ready for the long journey ahead.
They wait in the holding freezer, a cathedral of ice, until the distribution trucks arrive.
From here, refrigerated logistics networks will carry this poor man's lobster to supermarkets across Europe, Asia, and the Americas.
A global operation that turns a deep-sea monster into a worldwide delicacy.
Would you try the monkfish? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.